Hey there. Imagine it's the year 3000. What's inside your gaming PC? My CPU is a quantum neural QNI99999. I literally play games just by thinking.
What's in your gaming rig?
Quantum processor, photonic graphics card, biological RAM, dark energy thought control.
Graphics card? Oh, that's outdated tech. I'm using a photonic GPU, RTX Neuralite Infinity. It beams visuals straight into my eyes. For RAM, I've got a BioRAM DDR Infinite Zettabytes. It's synced with my DNA. I can even store memories on it. Storage? Holographic crystal SSD, 100 zettabytes. I can teleport games across the galaxy. My power supply? A dark matter energy core. No plug needed. I pull energy straight from space. The case? That's a nanomorph adaptive chassis. It shapeshifts and even turns into a bracelet when I travel. Keyboard and mouse? Those are ancient history. I control everything with a Neuralink brain interface. I also wear a FieldTech 10D gaming suit. I can actually feel wind, heat, even punches in-game. And the best part, my AI co-pilot plays hard bosses for me. I just sit back and sip tea. Interviewer. Laugh. So basically, your PC is like, alive? Exactly. When I am feeling down, it even tells me, come on, let's play some Valorant.